Good morning, people, and welcome back to Chasing Financial Freedom. I'm Rocco Di Pietro, and today we're going to look at NIO and what the hell is going on with NIO. So, you have probably seen that we have had a great start in this week. You have seen in Monday, right at the opening, we have seen a surge in the stock price, and then we have fallen a little bit down and then moved up to the day high of 59.40, and then again on Tuesday we had a small correction, a jump, a little bit correction again, and so on. And then on Wednesday we had a great run to $64 for the stock price, and then again a small correction. It's not as small because it's of $4, and again. So Thursday, yesterday, again the same thing happened. So a little bit of surge and then a fall down. So what is going on? Should you be afraid, insecure, or so on? So what should we know? What should we think about this thing? So looking broader at the market, we have made a video, and so looking at the broader market, you can see here that right now the S&P 500 futures are a little bit down. We were 0.5% down, but right now we have risen a little bit. It is 0.25% down. So what can we expect for this trading session? So we have a prolonged weekend. We have a long weekend because we have the present day coming on Monday. So the stock market is going to be closed on Monday. Yesterday, as you can see here, for the session of yesterday, we did not have a lot of volume. So the stocks are going down with little value. What does it mean? It means that there are not a lot of people that are entering the stock market right now. So they are either holding the stock or they are either selling. So this is why we are seeing a little bit of correction. If you look here, we have reached on February the 10th an all-time high of $3,930, and I will tell you the correlation with NIO. So NIO, so NIO is also trading or on the stock market. So we are seeing here, as you can see here, NIO, how it is moving, or the S&P is similar. We are moving up, then we have a small correction here, but it's not that much point. But of course, it's, if you have the stocks, it's okay, it's of course. So if you look here, we are probably going for a small correction. We expect the correction to be around $3,700 to around somewhere here, but I still think that we are going to see a higher level, because it is true that it is a little bit, there are still higher lows, so higher highs and higher lows. So the trend line is still positive and we're still moving up in the stock market. So for the moment, we still are not preoccupied with the future, and the same holds true with NIO. Of course, if you look at NIO and what is going on, if there's going to be a small retraction of the stock, we're going to see, of course, NIO going down. Of course, we know that NIO is a great stock. We still, at Chasing Financial Freedom, we still believe that NIO is going to hit $100 or $150 at the end of this year. Of course, we have great catalysts. NIO is the leading EV play in China, and the Chinese government is going to give a lot of money to this company and a lot of support for this company to be successful. They have a lot of cash on their balance sheets. Of course, they are not yet having their factories, so they are going to produce a lot more cars in the future when they're going to have the factory. We expect the first factory to be done in around half a year or 1 year time, maybe even sooner, because we know that the Chinese are usually very fast in building this kind of thing. So they are rich in capital and they can move forward. Right now, if you look at the chart and if we take the trend line from here, we are still seeing an uptrend with NIO. So you can we are still in the uptrend. This is pre-market, of course, but we're still seeing an uptrend. So we think that NIO today is going to go a little bit higher in the morning. We believe, if we look back here, we have the wave up. So NIO is probably going to reach, if there is not a sell-off in the market or a small traction, we're going probably to see $61 or $62 for this day. The bullish argument for NIO rising is, of course, the idea that the EV sector is hot. For example, if we look at XPeng, which is also an interesting play for today, and an interesting play for the conceivable future, it is, in our opinion, the second best play in the stock, in the EV sector right now. If you look here, XPeng has been the highest, $72. So this was his higher high in November. So we see that this stock, XPeng, has great potential to reach this point, but it has been flat for the moment. We have seen a high of $45 later, but if we look at the graph, we're seeing small increments. It is true that it is daily, it is usually spiking in the morning at market open and then falling down later on. So, but this is of course because of the stock market that is a little bit high at the moment. So when we are going to move further up, because Wall Street is expecting the stock market to reach 4,400 in this year, so we still have a lot of room to grow. So we have still ahead about 15 to 20% for this stock, and that would mean for XPeng around price target of $60 or $70 or $80 for this year. So here you can see that we are moving beneath the wave up line, and so we are probably going to see, if we chart this line again, if it's going to be, of course, a great day in the market today. We can probably expect to see a price for today, if it is a normal day, of around $48, $50, $49, but it will depend on the feelings in the stock market as general. So this is for today. We hope that you have a great day, that you're going to be successful this day. We hope that you take a great vacation, a prolonged weekend, and until next time, have a lot of fun.